Hello everyone, this is Dr. Shishma Sarila, consulting homeopath at Fidelis Homeopathy. Now coming to conventional form of treatment, or what would an allopathic doctor suggest to you if you are suffering from PCOS and obesity, and also if you are having lifestyle disorders. They will first suggest to you for your type 2 diabetes, if you are suffering from type 2 diabetes along with PCOS, metformin, but the side effect of metformin is muscle depletion. And then they can suggest you anti-obesity drugs, or they can keep you under anti-obesity injections where you can lose up to 10 kgs in a month. But is it healthy? You have to remember that body takes time for everything. If you have gained weight in years and if you are decreasing weight in days, it can be very bad for your heart. Heart health can be depleted. Your muscle can start depleting. Your body will experience sudden loss or sudden weight loss. The body will trigger certain mechanisms of inflammation. They will release certain chemical mediators. So it is not advisable to go on an injection or an anti-obese drugs. Rather, lose it through proper diet, exercise, and good amount of sleep. Next, other medications and bariatric surgery. If you're someone who is using medications, or if you're someone who is taking bariatric surgery, remember that after bariatric surgery, your hunger can decrease, or your consumption of food rate can decrease. But is usually advisable for people who are very obese, and also after bariatric surgery, although your hunger is decreased, your cravings for a certain food will not decrease. If you are doing proper diet, increasing your protein, the craving for sugar content will decrease. But if you are going through an anti-obese drug or a bariatric surgery, your hormone levels are not, decreasing or depleting. Your hormone imbalance is still there. So your craving for certain food is also still there. After bariatric surgery, you are continuously consuming carbohydrates, that is simple carbohydrates. You are consuming a lot of chocolate, even though chocolate accounts for 50-60 grams, it holds on a lot of calories also. So it depends upon how further you want to take that decision of maintaining a good lifestyle. Even though you are getting a bariatric surgery, if you are not maintaining a proper lifestyle, it can lead into again becoming obese. Now comes the form of treatment which has no side effects to it. It is effective in nature. It will balance out your hormones, thus by balancing your cravings and also making a way for you to lose weight, and also your abdominal weight can decrease through proper constitutional form of medicine. It is no homeopathic form of medicine offers you a wide range of safe forms of healing, wherein physical trauma of PCOS can be healed, your obesity will come under control, your hormones are controlled, your menses are regulated, your periods are regular, and also the bleeding has come under control, or your clots have come to decrease. All of this can happen through homeopathic form of treatment, which is utterly safe. And the recurrency form of obesity or PCOS or type 2 diabetes in homeopathy compared to allopathic form of treatment is low. And also, not only does it offer a better chance of living happily and healthily, it also offers a chance to give you safe, effective, and also no side effect form of treatment. So if you are opting for PCOS, allopathy does not have a cure for PCOS, but homeopathy does. Allopathy will give you anti-obesity drugs where you are losing a lot of body weight suddenly, but that is not going to balance out your hormones. But in homeopathy, the constitutional medicine will work on you, where slowly you will start to lose weight, and also your PCOS symptoms will start to decline and you will experience health. See, I am telling this loss of body weight for people who are suffering from PCOS. We are not talking about people who are trying to eat much even though they do not have craving. They just eat and put on weight, then and their homeopathic medications might be different. But in people who are suffering from PCOS and obesity, homeopathic medicines will work wonderfully in maintaining that hormonal balance, and also your cravings for a certain sort of simple carbohydrate will also decrease in homeopathic constitutional medication. We have discussed how homeopathy offers or gives a better shot at PCOS and obesity, and even type 2 diabetes, or to that matter any female reproductive organ diseases. Here we are talking about, in homeopathy, we are talking about Fidelis homeopathy, which will give you a better way to cure yourself. Here we have two types of consultation options. One is online consultation option, the second one is offline consultation option. If you are someone who is staying in the nearest branch of Fidelis, you can come and contact us in person. But if you are staying far away from us, you can contact us online through audio consultation option or through video consultation option. Once the consultation is done and once the case is taken and investigations are reviewed, especially to the online clients, our medicines will be delivered to you to your home. If you are staying in India, it can take 3 to 4 business days. If you're staying in USA, 3 to 5 business days. And across the globe, anywhere, our medicine can take time of 4 to 8 business days for our medicines to reach your doorstep. If you're someone who's suffering from PCOS and obesity, or if you're suffering from female reproductive organ diseases, you can contact us through this number which is displayed on the screen. You can call us, you can WhatsApp us, or you can message us through this number. And if you want to know more about Fideicus Homeopathy, you can check our website www.fideicus.com. We have discussed how homeopathy offers a better shot at lifestyle disorders and also chronic disorders. Now we will be talking about why Fideicus Homeopathy should be opted. Fideicus Homeopathy stands for highest chance of health. Here we are following 3 principles. The first one is we have already experienced higher success rate in people who are experiencing PCOS. We have brought down the symptoms of PCOS. We have brought down the symptoms of PCOD. They're having a better lifestyle. Their fertility rate is increased. People are conceiving. They're having good pregnancy. Outcomes of all of these diseases are really good. So high success rate. Second one is transparent treatment. Here we do not have any gray area between the patient and the doctor. We will be explaining the prognosis of your case in a very clear manner to you. And apart from that, when we come to the personal care here at Fideicus Homeopathy, it is top-notch personal care. Here we will be busting all of your myths. We will clear all of your doubts. If you want to opt for health, if you want to opt for cure, choose Fideicus Homeopathy. Thank you.